Hi friends, all of you. Good morning, Mancheriala. Morning news with journalist Srinivas. Today we have discussed about daily newspaper Deccan Chronicle. Today we have made national, international, and state issues. We have discussed about we have started new program English newspaper reading. So world EC moves out Imran as PDI head. Sports Edge Micro send Spain out of World Cup. Tabloid Mystic Man hair coloring latest fair. Today we have main important news discuss about Delhi liquor scam from Gather Space CBI to quiz Kavita on December 11th at city residency. The CBI will question TRS MLC Kalvakuntla Kavita in the Delhi liquor scam and her Hyderabad presidents after Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao's daughter wrote to the agency indicates that she should be available to record her statement on December 11th. The TRS MLC on Monday said and would be able to meet the CBI investigations from December 11th or 15th. What is the TRS MLC had asked the CBI to postpone the December 6th session and informed the agency of her availability between December 11th and 15th, barring December 13th. The CBI will question her at city residence at 11 a.m. and record her statement. IT rights related offer evading tax. The income tax department conducted raids on the office and properties owned by the real estate group Vamsi Rao Builders and Developers. The raid began early on Tuesday at about 15 locations in the city and multiple locations in Vijayawada. It was learned that the raids were carried out following alignment of tax events by the group of connections with its ventures according to the cities as well as allowed the investments of the group from the undisclosed by the source. The opponents speaks to the discuss price raise jobs child all party meeting held parliament session being today. At parliament meeting and before the start of parliament's winter season on the Tuesday, the opposition raised the demand for the discuss on price raise, unemployment and the situation along the Sino-India border. The Center for the Port plans to introduce 16 bills during the 7 sittings of the session and assured that will be take up the issues according to the rule and norms of parliament. The winter season will start on Wednesday and last till December 29th. With 17 sittings over the 23 days. Leaders from more than 30 parties took part in the meeting chaired by the Union Minister, Deputy Leader of Lok Sabha, Rajnath Singh. Rajnath Singh says sought cooperations from all parties for smooth functioning of the session after bans and walkout during previous sessions. Next, Congress leader says Nazir Hussain demanded a discuss on the appointment of the elections commissioner is in one day the EVS quota. Next, I have taken note of issue raised. Issue for discussions will be finalized on the Business Advisory Committee meeting to about Houses Parliamentary Prahlad Joshi, Parliamentary Affairs Minister. TRS switches to national mode. The blasters by the plan to launch of the Bharat Rashtra Samiti TRS MPs may go on the offensive against the 8 lakhs acres stuck on Dharani farmers to High Court. The Telangana High Court took cognizance of the plight of the landowners in Mahbubabad district where officials place 8 lakh acres of land include those which land partas and the prohibited it on the Dharani portal. This prevented the owners from selling or transferring their properties, and officials this is excluded the properties and from the listed registration. Selfie time for political leaders. BJP State President Bandi Sanjay takes a selfie on the 9th day Praja Sangrama Yatra in Khanapur of Nirmal district Tuesday. Next, Raitu Bandhu tops funds list. The Raitu Bandhu socials in the Raitu Bandhu scheme, through which the Telangana government has been provided financial assistance to land owning farmers via direct benefit transfer, is set up takes precedence over Dalit Bandhu and beneficiaries. Source: the finance department said the state government facing a nearly 40,000 crore fund crunch due the centers the distinctions of the 75,000 crores for the Raitu Bandhu. The discussion this month, the state government will arrange 5,900 crores for Dalit Bandhu from the January of March to extended beyond the 500 Dalit Bandhu families each in 118 assemblies constituencies except Huzurabad. The government raised 500 crore through a bond auction on the Tuesday. Deposit Rabi season beginning on the October. The government is to be distributed Raitu Bandhu funds to over 17 lakhs farmers due the fund. Next we have discussed about Bandi raps KTR on drugs case. BJP State Parliament Bandi Sanjay on Tuesday parliamentary choose the IT ministers K.T. Ramarao and asked to the reopening of the Bangalore and Hyderabad drugs case, which he allotted the TRS leaders to got closed. Next, vote TRS for Metro Line KTR. The excluded confident the TRS will be re-elected in the 2023 elections on the back of progress and development under the leadership of the Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao. Minister K.T. Ramarao stated to the state government in this discussion about the 2023 elections, he won. LB Nagar gets cremations multi-cut opposition with the two electoral functions that will be 90% of the required power from a 140 kV solar power plant installed the premise. A separate billions has been constructed of the construction to accommodation date Hindu 10th day the Muslim and the Muslim Christians gave yard allow for the burial of bodies their layers in the science goal locations. Each burial around has an capital 550 bodies. Counterpoint: forget survey and exit polls. Swamiji assure a clean sweep for us. The mainly news viral in Telangana. I am more literate than CM MLA Rasamai Balakishan. Manikondur MLA Rasamai Balakishan of TRS declared that he is more educated than Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao and Minister K.T. Rama Rao and T. Harish Rao. He was speaking as chief guest at a program organized on occasion of the 66th death anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar here at Kannapur village of Shankarapatnam Mandal in Karimnagar on Tuesday. After paying tributes to Manikondur MLA Rasamai Balakishan pays tributes Dr. Ambedkar on occasion of the 66th death anniversary at Khanapur village in Karimnagar. The state of Ambedkar Balakrishna compared himself at Ambedkar and it that like him with to highly education as decorate and won a gold medal dispute being born in a poor family. After regarding service as a teacher for more than 20 years, I am now standing in front of you as Dr. Rasamai Balakishan. He declared the MLA, however, attracted criticism from various sections of people. They asked him why development is legging in Manakondur constituency. Next, the main importance news: PM sympathies with Sharmila. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday called YSR Telangana Party, YSRTP Party Chief YS Sharmila and expressed sympathy over recent incident in which the police towed away her car while in has still sitting in it. The call, which lasted for a couple of minutes, came a day after PM Modi report daily caught for brother and Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister YS Jagan Mohan Reddy of God question being silent on the incident. Modi had a brief interaction with Jagan Mohan Reddy on sideline of the G20 summit preparatory meet with all political parties at New Delhi. On YSRTP leader claimed that Modi described the police action of annunciation. He said he was pained over the incident and the incident Sharmila to Delhi of meeting speaking media persons after garlanding and the status of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar at Tank Band. Her Sharmila confirmed her telephonic talk with the Modi and thanked him for expressing concern over the incident. Thank you for watching. Please support and subscribe our channel.